Jai Govinda. I am Sanskriti Agarwal and I am from Pune. I have been studying in UPSCA Gurukul Mount Abu and I have recently cleared my CA Foundation exam September 2025. There has been one question that I've commonly came across and that has been, you come from such a big city that's Pune, so why did you not choose Pune to continue your career there, and why did you choose Abu Road? So I did not have a definite answer earlier, but now I do have an answer. My journey as a student at UPSCA Gurukul is not just limited to books and studies, but it is much more beyond that because we get a lot of exposure there. We get to meet a lot of people from the business world and various walks of life who teach us lots of things about life and many more things about the real world out there that we have to face once we cross these protected boundaries. And earlier, I was very nervous about my decision that whether am I making a right choice moving so far. But then when I met Uttam sir, then I realized that when you learn under the guidance of former ICI President CA Uttam Prakash Agarwal sir, then you are on the right track. Because what he told me has stayed with me and will also live in my mind rent free because ही टोल्ड मी दैट बेटा आप लोग आजकल के बच्चे जैसे वेब सीरीज देखते हो ना, एपिसोड खत्म होता है फिर नेक्स्ट लगा लेते हो या रुक जाते हो, CA इज लाइक दैट फॉर यू. उसका बिल्कुल स्ट्रेस मत लेना, हर एग्जाम को एक नए एपिसोड की तरह देखना एंड देन लाइक जब तुम पढ़ रहे हो तो फील लाइक यू आर लिविंग दैट सीरीज. एंड देन वो वही होता है, इंटर का एक एपिसोड, फाउंडेशन का एक एपिसोड, इंटर का एक एपिसोड और फाइनल का एक एपिसोड. ऐसे करते करते तुम्हारा जर्नी कब पूरा हो जाएगा तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड ही फोकसेस मोर ऑन कैरेक्टर एंड पर्सनालिटी बिल्डिंग बिकॉज वो बोलते हैं कि बुक से तो तुम्हें कोई भी पढ़ा देगा, तुम मेरे पास आए हो बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन. ही वॉन्ट्स अस his students to be differentiated from the crowd. जो आजकल हम लोग सब एक रैट रेस में फंस चुके हैं ना कि अरे मेरा दोस्त कर रहा है मैं करती हूँ. ही सेज नो. वो बताता है कि देखो अब जैसे मैं पहले तुम देखते हो कि अरे वो ऐसा कर रहा है, यू शुड बी द पर्सन जो वो कर रहा है. तुम देखो मत, तुम करो कि तुम्हें देख के लोग बोले अरे इसने ये भी कर लिया, अरे उसने वो भी कर लिया. इवन हिज लाइफ एंड हिज स्टोरी हैज इंस्पायर्ड अस सो मच and that is something that lets us keep moving and pushing our boundaries more, that yes we can do more. So that's his belief in us and his motivation that we strive to become the best versions of us. As a CA aspirant, self study is very important for us. So what we do after our classes is what defines that what we are going to do in the exam. So for me personally, beyond the academic hours, I chose to study in the open. Like some days I'll sit in the garden near the mandir. Some days I'll sit near the fruit garden. Some days I'll sit near our academic buildings and there's wind blowing. And no, that's not a distraction. In fact, that helps you focus more because when you connect with the nature, you feel more energetic even after a stressful day. So you can focus better and your productivity enhances multifold. So that is when you realize that yes, you can do much more beyond the potential, because when you open your room's doors or when you open your balcony, go into the balcony, you don't see buildings all around, you don't see a concrete jungle, you see mountains, you see garden, you see flowers, so many flowers that we have not even seen in the cities. So that feels so exciting. Like every day you wake up to see something new, and the sunsets, they're so beautiful. Like when you sit on the terrace balcony, terrace library, and then you see the sunset while you're studying, and then it feels like a small peaceful stretch between your study sessions. And that is very important when you study because you can't just live in the books, you need to connect outside.